Are you looking for electric motorcycles to buy, and are you overwhelmed by the amount of news that hits the market? Don't worry, we have made a first selection for you. In this video, we present you the best electric motorcycles available for purchase in the market today. But first, please like and subscribe to this channel and then sit back and relax. The offer of electric motorcycles is growing incessantly. But don't worry, we have done part of the work for you. We have selected the most interesting options. Whether you are looking for a moped or scooter to move around the city, or if you want an electric motorcycle that allows you to make longer trips. Now let's get started. 1. Zero SRF, 21,140 euros. Zero Motorcycles is a Californian manufacturer of high-performance electric motorcycles. It has one of the widest ranges on the market, all with a Z-Force battery pack as a hallmark. This is characterized by the use of a rigid aerospace aluminum chassis specially designed to reduce weight. We propose the purchase of the SRF because it debuts the new manufacturer's platform. With a naked fairing, this electric motorcycle uses the Z-Force 7510 AC motor. It has 110 horsepower of power, 190 Nm of maximum torque, and reaches a top speed of 199 km per hour. In the city, it approves a range of 259 km. While driving at 80 km per hour, the range drops to 159 km. If the average speed is 120 km per hour, it will be necessary to stop to recharge at 130 km. 2. Persang e-Track, 12,700 euros. The Persang e-Track can boast of having caught the attentions of the King of Spain himself for being one of the most powerful electric motorcycles on the market. The e-Track is the first Persang model, a 100% Spanish brand, inspired by the legendary Bultaco Persang, marketed at the end of the 60s. It is equipped with an 11 kilowatt Bosch motor that is powered by 3 batteries for a total capacity of 7.2 kilowatt-hour. The Persang e-Track reaches a top speed of 120 km per hour. Regarding autonomy, it reaches 120 km, although it depends on the chosen driving mode. You can choose between Go, Cruise, and Boost modes. In addition to these options, there will be a fourth alternative that will make it easier to drag if it is not used. Charging can be done at any socket and requires a waiting time of approximately 6 hours. Some of the parts that make up the Persang e-Track are made with 3D technology, such as the screen support, the wiring base box, and the headlight support. 3. Vespa Elettrica L3, 6,699 euros. Vespa Elettrica L3 electric motorcycle not only looks like a Vespa, but it is also a Vespa. It is the second plug-in model of the mythical brand of the Piaggio group. It has a power of 3.6 kilowatt and a maximum power peak that is estimated at 4 kilowatt, or what is the same, 5.4 CV. The Vespa Elettrica L3 includes 2 driving modes that the user can select from, including an eco setting that can achieve the promised 100 km of autonomy while capping the top speed at 45 km per hour. Precisely the features present in the initial version that was made available for purchase. To go above this limit and up to 70 km per hour, you must switch to the power mode, which also reduces the maximum range per charge to roughly 70 km. To fully recharge the lithium-ion battery pack of this motorcycle, it takes 4 hours, as long as its charger is used in a 220-volt socket. 4. Silence S01, 5,995 euros. The Silence S01 is one of the best-selling electric motorcycles on the market today. It is also one of the longest on the market. On an aesthetic level, it is distinguished by modern and somewhat futuristic lines reinforced by full LED lighting and striking optical groups. The absence of exhaust, the lenticular rear tire, or the bulky battery pack that appears on the right side reveals that we are dealing with 100% electric scooter. With a 100% electric scooter, the mechanical part is handled by a brushless motor housed inside the rear wheel that offers 7 kilowatt of nominal power with peaks of 11 kilowatt, equivalent to a 125cc motorcycle, so it can be driven with 3 years of a car license. Its constant and linear thrust translates into an accelerations of 3.8 seconds in the 0 to 50 km per hour, but that is maintained until reaching the top speed of each mode. It reaches its maximum speed with sports mode. 5. Region Nuke Urban, 5,990 euros. Reju Nuke Urban electric motorcycle is the result of joint work between Reju and Bosch. It is available in 3 versions. The Nuke Urban uses a 50 Ah lithium-ion battery pack. The packages are enclosed in the central part of the chassis, are removable and quick to remove, have a handle, and each one weighs 13 kg. The 2 additional batteries can be equipped in specific saddlebags that would leave the 3rd and 4th battery on both sides of the rear wheel, and with them, the autonomy they promise us will be close to 300 km. 6. NIU NGT 4,499 euros. NIU NGT, which falls under the 125cc category, is sold by the Chinese company NIU. The mechanical assembly includes 2 batteries with a combined capacity of 2.1 kWh and a Bosch on the rear wheel with a nominal output of 3 kW and a peak of 5.5 kW. The NIU NGT scooter has a top speed of 70 km/h and a maximum range of 160 km in its most economical mode. It should be noted that it has regenerative braking as well as hydraulic suspensions and a tubular steel chassis, without forgetting that the electrical components are properly waterproof, which means that it allows you to cross any puddle on any rainy day without worries. The manufacturer indicates that it is capable of fording a depth of up to 230 mm. 7. Super Soco TC Max 4,495 euros. The Super Soco is a Chinese firm that recently landed in Spain. The TC Max is an electric motorcycle equivalent to a 125cc internal combustion version. With a maximum speed of 100 km/h, the Super Soco TC Max electric motorcycle is equipped with a removable 72-volt and 45 Ah lithium-ion battery that charges in just 4 hours and allows it to travel 130 km until the next recharge. 8. E-Volt Style 2,995 euros. The E-Volt style electric motorcycle looks like a Vespa, and an electric moped it is. The E-Volt style lives up to its name and wins over with its classic design, ideal for getting around town. The price is also one of its strong points since it can be purchased for less than 3,000 euros. The E-Volt style uses a 48-volt motor, it has 45 CV of power, and reaches a maximum speed of 45 km/h. Storing the energy you need is a 2.7 kWh lithium battery that charges 100% in 6 hours or 80% in 3.5 hours. In the city, it approves a range of 130 km. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, the subscription button, and the notification bell. To get notified when new videos are uploaded from this channel, please share your thoughts about the best electric motorcycles available for purchase in the market in the comment section below. Thank you.